morning, my fellow students and dear teachers. I am Pratima, standing in front of you this morning, asking for your vote as the school prefect. I'm here to be a good leader and a better student, and I believe I could be one because I'm a good listener and a good friend. I'm honest, dedicated, responsible, trustworthy, and creative. I enjoy helping my friends and seeing them achieve their goals. I will listen to your ideas and concerns and bring them up to discussions. I will work with my council and make a loud noise just to be heard. Cornerstone is a great school, but we can make it an even better place to live by helping each other create precious memories for this year and for the years to come. Memories that you can be proud of because you can make someone smile just by being nice to them. You can make someone feel better just by giving a little bit of your time to them. If given a chance, I promise to take up this responsibility very seriously as I am with my academics. Remember, I will see, I will listen, and I will act. Pratima is at your service and I'm ready to take up this responsibility. Now sit, relax, and vote for me as your school prefect. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mahi from grade 9B. I am contesting for the role of Deputy Prefect. To start with, I have an engaging and positive attitude which makes it easy to relate with both teachers and students. I have plenty of experience with others in leadership role, so I am ready to take on this challenge with necessary commitment and passion under my belt. I'm easily approachable and I promise to take each and every issue seriously so that all students may feel heard and understood. You will always find me open and willing to talk to, both about good and bad. If I were to be the Deputy Prefect, I would make sure that there would be a really cool event at the end of the month to which all you guys would love to participate. Listen to your heart and your heart will definitely say Mahi. Please vote for me as your Deputy Prefect. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am Niksha Telkar from grade 9B, nominating myself for the post of Deputy Prefect. The literal meaning of Deputy Prefect is an older student who has special duties to help and take care of the junior students. A Deputy Prefect and a Prefect are always a role model for the whole school. An appointment to the position of Deputy Prefect is an honor. This is my 9th year in the school and I have seen the school growing and changing with new ideas each year. So now I got a chance to contribute to these new ideas. If I'm appointed as your Deputy Prefect, first of all, I'll continue maintaining a healthy relationship with all of you. I'll be a good bridge or a healthy bridge between the students and the management. I'll ensure that the STATCO runs smoothly with healthy coordination. I'll encourage and motivate all of you for good and always be approachable. Most importantly, sometimes we think that rules restrict our freedom, but the fact is that our leaders have created rules to discipline us and to keep us safe. This discipline will lead to be a strong pillar for success. So let's work hand in hand and make our school a happy and interesting place for all of us. Please vote for me if you think I'm capable of being your Deputy Prefect. Thank you, and this is Seekshell.
Hello and good morning to all the teachers and CSTNs. For those of you who don't know me, I'm J. Clarissa Alida of grade 9A, here for the post of Deputy Prefect. I strongly believe in our school's values of discipline, respect, and integrity. If you want something done, then I'm the one. I'm very approachable, and everyone is welcome to come and share their ideas with me. I am a fair and confident leader and also a good decision maker. I will try to be the best role model I can be and guide you on your path of learning. Under my leadership, we can make Cornerstone a better place for learning, sharing, bonding, and growing, and also making wonderful memories that will last forever. Vote for Clarissa as your voice, to represent you as your Deputy Prefect. A vote for me is a vote for you. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjana Tharat and I'm from grade 9B and I'm contesting for the post of Deputy Prefect. The role of a Deputy Prefect is indeed a very responsible and a very challenging post. And yes, I want to take up this challenging post. It is a bridge between the students and the teachers. And the most challenging thing about this is to not let this bridge fall apart. I am known to be a very trustful, reliable, and a very great friend. And a very approachable one too. We can have many academics and great experiences together with events. With events, I want everyone in this cornerstone school to become one and to strengthen the bond between us, just so we could take the burden together. School life is known to be a very precious one, and it is also known as the golden era. And I want to make this academic year a very memorable one to you guys. So please vote for me, and I hope that I can reach up to your expectations. I may not be a perfect person, since but I am a very dedicated person and a very honest person. So please vote for me, and thank you.
This is Jatin from grade 9. I'm contesting for the post of discipline monitor. Leadership is an opportunity to serve. It is with this vision I aspire to be a leader. If elected, I'll fulfill all the responsibilities given to me. One of my first priorities will be to maintain discipline in our school. I believe that discipline must be followed at this crucial time, as it may have a larger reflection at the upcoming future. And I'm sure that you'll extend all possible help in this regard. So my dear friends, let us inculcate discipline in whatever we do, so that we become good students of our school and therefore good citizens of the nation. Hence, my dear friends, have a vision and make the right decision. If I am your hope, let us fly higher together. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Sharon, and I'm enrolling for the post discipline monitor. Discipline is the first law of nature. Even though we all are aware of the dictionary term called discipline, many of us follow our inner instinct. Often discipline is mistook for oppression of our freedom, but it's not that. Being disciplined doesn't mean that we have to miss out all the fun in life. It's basically our ability to adjust to situations. We must not blame circumstances, rather rise above them in our attitude, which means we are completely in control of what we do. Because discipline would never stop you from being you. You and I, we can make a change. Towards something big, the first step we must take is discipline. And if I'm elected as your discipline monitor, I would make sure that discipline wouldn't seem as a huge burden to us CSTians. Have you asked? Don't worry, I'm not going to recite a huge list of what I'm going to do if and when I become the discipline monitor. I would rather talk about it and how important it is in our lives. I would remind you and help you abide in all school rules. We have a great power in our hands, CSTians. And discipline is such power choice. So you choose today. Vote for me, Elizabeth Sharon, as your discipline monitor. Thank you.
Teachers and my dear friends, I am Akshay from 9B, and I'm going to be contesting for the post of school discipline monitor. There are a lot of things that the school has given me that I will treasure in my life, and I think it's time that I give back to them. For many, discipline is a set of rules that your parents, teachers, or elders taught you. But discipline is one of those terms that everyone can have a different meaning to, and to me, discipline is having a limit to the actions we take, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do if I become the discipline monitor. I will make sure that no one's gonna get out of control but has fun at the same time. My main goal is to make students of this school think that discipline is a fun thing or a habit in everyday life, instead of your teachers or elders teaching you every single day. And I also think that I should award the students that are the most disciplined, so I will try my best to do that too. If you want a fun discipline monitor whose main goal is to make discipline fun, I think you know the answer, and I believe that you will make the right decision. Thank you. This is Akshay from 9B.
Good morning, my dear friends and respected teachers. This is K. Sharon Ashrita from grade 9, and I'm running for the post of your school hygiene monitor. If you are aware of the basic hygiene and the importance of hygiene, you will be able to train your community and family members. We spend 8 hours of the day in school. It is a place where we spend most of our time. So don't you think we should maintain a good hygiene here? Well, if I was your school hygiene monitor, I can assure you of many things. A top-notch hygiene, which includes clean and pampered nails, proper uniform, neat hair, and a formal attire on your feet, and of course the discipline in the school premises. In total, I can maintain an extremely good attire for the CSTians. I will give my best in school hygiene. I will need your support so that we could work together for the betterment of the school hygiene and cleanliness. I will assure the school and abide with whatever I have promised. This is a true promise from my heart. Thank you.
Hello everyone,
This is Nishank P of Grade 8 Aristotles. I'm contesting for the post of school discipline monitor. I believe that discipline is not only about obeying a set of rules. It is a quality that each one of you have. There are seeds of discipline sown in you. My duty is to make them grow. Discipline plays a crucial role in your future life. It decides your character and defines who you are. So, I suggest others that it's better to start following discipline from now. If I'm voted to power, I will see to that each and everyone obeys rules. I'll strictly follow my duties. I believe that punishments are not a way to mold a child. I will use less punishments. A child should understand what are the consequences he is going to face if he is not disciplined. Please vote for me. If I'm voted, I will see to that each and everyone is disciplined and I will follow my rules. I will make sure that school runs in a smooth manner. Please vote for me as a discipline monitor. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, for all those who don't know me, I am Chinmay from grade 8 and I strongly believe that talent wins games, but teamwork, dedication and discipline wins championships. With all of these qualities, I am contesting for the post of school sports captain and I request each one of you to vote for me as we together will play, enjoy and bring laurels to our school by winning championships. Smart people make smart choices, and I think I'm your smart choice. Vote for me. Thank you. Hello everyone. Good morning dear friends and my respected teachers. I am Vidya from Grade 8 Aristotle and I'm nominating for the post of the hygiene monitor. I would like to start my speech by mentioning a famous quote. A clean person is not the one who runs away from dirt, but the one who takes time and effort to tidy up the dirt. This particular quote refers to hygiene. Hygiene plays a very crucial role in our day-to-day life. It is monumentally important and it must be practiced daily. It implies the absence of dirt, dust, foul smell, etc. As we keep our house neat and clean, why not our school? I would like to take a step forward to make our school the most clean and a better place to learn. I would ensure that each and every child focuses on the essence of hygiene. I would also ensure a hygienic environment as it creates happy souls. In India, as we all know, we practice Swachh Bharat mission. I would like to take the responsibility to start a new mission in our school named a Hygienic School Mission. A mission to make our school the most clean and the best school ever. I take a pledge and promise that I would not let you down or break your trust. I would try my best to bring out as many plans as I can to maintain the hygiene throughout the year. Let us all be friends and join our hands together to solve the problems of untidiness. At last, thank you for listening to me and don't forget to vote for the right choice. Thank you.
All present here. I am Chitulaj from grade 9. I am contesting for the post of sports captain. I am here to seek all of your valuable support. People are ignoring education through sports because of competitive education. You would have heard of the proverb, healthy mind in a healthy body. It means without good physical health, one cannot attain good mental health. These days, with excessive importance given to competitive education, people are ignoring the importance of physical education among growing children. Let us reverse this trend. If I become sports captain, I will be committed to promoting various sporting events throughout the year. I will assist the sports teachers in creating an active and sportive atmosphere in the school. Most of you would have also heard of the age-old proverb, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. At Cornerstone, let us combine work with play and make it vibrant and joyous. Thank you.
Respected teachers and our dear Sharmila ma'am and my dear friends, I will ensure that I will follow and adhere to the rules and duties of school hygienic monitor. School hygiene and sanitation are especially important because children spend a great deal of time at school and they need a healthy environment to learn and grow physically, mentally and socially. It is fundamentally important that we prevent our school from getting dirty